Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is classification of unilateral mistake. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment. And also discuss various topics related to it like Contract Act and its various provisions. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the classification of unilateral mistake, which comes under the mistake, or we can say that it comes under the free consent topic of Indian Contract Act. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is classification of unilateral mistake. So firstly, we have to understand about what is unilateral mistake. Where one of the parties to the contract is under a mistake, it is called unilateral mistake. So it means when one of the party of the contract doing particular mistake, it is known as unilateral mistake. Section 22 provides that a contract is not voidable merely because it was caused by one of the parties to it being under a mistake of fact. So section 22 defines that if there is any party doing any mistake in the contract, then the contract is known as voidable contract. Thus, as a general rule, unilateral mistake will not render a contract void. A party cannot be allowed to avoid a contract on the ground of its own mistake, which may be due to its carelessness or negligence. So it is the mistake is not done intentionally, so it can be treated as a normal contract. It is not a void or voidable contract. For example, A buys rice from B thinking that it is old basmati rice, but in fact it is new basmati rice. A cannot avoid the contract, however, where mistake was caused by fraud or misrepresentation of other party, a contract will be voidable on that ground. Here the mistake is not done intentionally, so contract cannot be void or voidable, it cannot be avoided. Ordinarily, a contract cannot be avoided on the ground of unilateral mistake. However, where consent given by party of the contract uh, is so fundamental as it goes to the root of contract, the agreement would be void even if the mistake was unilateral. So on the basis of the unilateral mistake, where the one party is involved in the mistake or doing the mistake in the contract cannot be avoided and it cannot be declared void or voidable. So types of unilateral mistake. First one is the mistake as to the identity of the person contracted with, and the second is the mistake as to the nature of contract. We'll discuss each of the types of unilateral mistake in the upcoming videos. So this is all about the classification of unilateral mistake. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, you can ask me through comment box. Here I again summarize the unilateral mistake and its classification. The contract in which one party involved in the mistake is known as unilateral mistake. It is defined under section 22 and it cannot be avoidable. There are two types of unilateral mistake, which are mistake as to identity of the person contracted with and the mistake as to the nature of contract. So finally, it is all about the classification of unilateral mistake. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.